Eraser tool can work with this background color. Okay, so background color should be white always. Okay, by default it is white. You know, if you press bracket curly brackets on your keyboard, you can change the size of the tool. So for instance, if I want to erase this, see, I can. Okay, so this is eraser tool. But for instance, if I want to erase and I also want transparent background, not white, then I will use background eraser tool. See, it will erase, and see, this is transparent. Background is transparent now. Yeah. And the third thing, see, for example, if you select this, or let me add just a minute, like see, this is PNG image without background. This is transparent background. Okay. So we will make something like this. This is JPG. JPG always with white background. Okay. So if I save this image in desktop, okay, then open in Photoshop. Okay. Now if you select magic eraser tool, see, just click on white one time, see, it will delete everything. White background, see. Now you can see it is transparent background. So we can save this one as PNG file. Okay. So you can select from here PNG. Okay. Which one? PNG, portable network graphics. So this one will be without background. First you can remove with the magic eraser tool. Okay. So you got my point. Okay.
Means that if you have an item that you know you can use once more, you can use PNG to save it.
Oh, this is simple magic eraser tool. Magic eraser tool can erase one specific color. So sometimes if background is white color, and you want to delete background color, you want transparent background. So just select background eraser tool and just click on white color. So it will magically erase complete color, complete background. Okay.